Open the driver's side door. Now right where the driver's left foot would go, right over there, that's the primary hood release lever, so pull that. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the emblem over there, right there, that's where the secondary hood release lever is. Let's see how it works. You put one finger in there and then push it right. So lift up the hood, put one finger in there, push it right, and the hood opens up. Now this one requires a prop rod, so we gotta get the prop rod in that slot over there. So get the prop rod out, put the rod in the slot over there, and then pull the rod back a little bit to secure it in place. Yep, just like that. Now it's good. Now that's the front turn signal bulb over there. In order to access, we have to go behind it. So if you're working on the left side one, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. So now we have space to access the bulb. That access panel has 3 clips over there. 1, 2, and 3. We need to get them off. So get a Phillips head screwdriver and get those 3 clips off. You gotta unscrew the middle part and then you can just pull the entire clip off. Get the 3 clips off and keep them somewhere safe. You don't want to lose it, right? Once you do that, now we will be able to peel the cover back. And you can peel it back enough that you can put your entire hand in there. See that? Now once you do, what you have to look for is get your hand in there and then look above. Right? Because that's what the bulb is. So you get your hand in there and look up. That's where you'll see the gray bulb holder. That's the one for the front turn signal. You just have to grab it and twist it left just a little bit and then out it comes. It's simple as that. You just grab it, twist it left, out it comes right there. That's what the turn signal bulb is. Now in order to get it off, we are going to access it from the top of the vehicle, from underneath the hood. So from there, pull the bulb holder out. That's the bulb right there. So get the bulb, pull it out, and out it comes. The bulb replacement size is 7443A. 7443A is the amber color. I suggest replacing with LED bulbs. Check the link in the description. You also get a discount code if you use the link in the description. So get the new bulb, put the bulb in. See, if you're not able to get the bulb in the bulb holder, simply take it out, twist it around, and then push it down. Now you'll be able to click the bulb in the bulb holder. That looks good. Now let's send it down. And now let's again go behind the bulb. Grab the bulb holder, put it in its place, just like that. Now you notice the position of the bulb holder clip. So that's where it's sitting snugly, and it's unlocked though. So grab it, twist it right just a little bit to lock it in place. See, now it's moved, it's locked in place, and that is pretty much it. Now to close the hood, push the hood up a little bit, take the rod out of the slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and slam it shut. That's pretty much it.